In this video, I'm going to show you how to change keyboard shortcuts in GIMP quickly and easily, so you can speed up your workflow and make the software work the way you want. If you use GIMP often, customizing shortcuts can save a huge amount of time, especially for tools and actions you use over and over again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and go to the top menu bar. Click Edit, then choose Keyboard Shortcuts. This will open the Shortcuts window, where you can manage and customize the hotkeys for almost every tool, filter, and action inside GIMP. Once the Keyboard Shortcuts window is open, you'll see a list of organized categories. You can scroll through these categories manually if you already know where the command is located. But if you want to save time, use the search bar at the top. Just type the exact name of the tool or action you want to change, and GIMP will narrow it down for you instantly. Now find the command you want to edit and click directly on that row. When you select it, the shortcut field will change to New Shortcut, which means GIMP is ready for your input. At this point, simply press the new key combination you want to assign. For example, you might use something like Control plus Shift plus H, or any other combination that fits your workflow. If the shortcut you choose is already being used by another command, GIMP will warn you with a conflict message. This is completely normal. When that happens, carefully read the pop-up and decide whether you want to keep the existing shortcut or replace it. If you want your new shortcut to take over, click Reassign Shortcut to confirm the change. If you ever want to remove a shortcut completely, that's easy too. Click on the command again until it shows New Shortcut, then press the backspace key on your keyboard. That will clear the shortcut and remove the custom key binding for that action. Once you've finished customizing your shortcuts, click Close in the bottom right corner. GIMP automatically saves your changes, so you do not need to manually export or apply anything else. Your new shortcuts will be ready the next time you use the program. And if you ever want to go back to the original GIMP hotkeys, you can do that too. Just reopen the Keyboard Shortcuts window and click Reset at the bottom. This restores GIMP's factory default shortcuts, which is helpful if you made too many changes or want to start over from scratch. That's it. You now know how to change keyboard shortcuts in GIMP, remove shortcuts you don't need, and reset everything back to default whenever you want. These small changes can make a big difference in how fast and comfortable GIMP feels to use. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.